As we all know very well, India is rich in tradition and customs, different types of customs prevailing in India. But here are some which really needs to be changed. So today, as we will discuss one of the most popular and evil custom, which is Ata-Sata marriage. This is still prevails in rural India. Hello everyone, I am your host Aradhna Maurya and you are watching The Social Talks. A 21-year-old woman named Suman, who lived in the Nagpur district of Rajasthan, committed suicide and left the eye-opening suicide note behind her death. She wrote, "I know committing suicide is wrong, but I was left with no choice. The reason behind my death is the malpractice of Ata-Sata, where women are sentenced to death. In the alliance of two families, women are sold in favor of men. It is an evil custom where 17-year-old educated, immature girls are married off 70-year-old uneducated elderly men." In her suicide note, she requested the society to educate their children and to spread awareness about this custom so that the other girls' life could be saved for the future. Although her family claimed the woman was suffering from depression over the week, her husband lived abroad and she was upset with this cause. The case is registered by Rajasthan Police until Prohibition of Child Marriage 2006 and Section 198A of IPC. The infliction of physical or mental harassment on a married woman by her husband or laws. The crime against women is an uprising in a state with a data of 8,599 cases of harassment, molestation, rape, etc. Rajasthan police data showed the alarming concern of women's safety in the state. But instead of this, everything is going on. And these cases just be the record of data in the record room, nothing else. However, no false claim can justify the fact that the ages of old custom is still practiced in the rural part of Rajasthan. So here the question arises, what is Ata-Sata and why is this custom still practiced? Ata-Sata is a centuries old custom of involves the exchange marriage of brother and sister pair from two households. The brides exchange between two families. In some cases, this involves uncle lineage pair or cousin pair. But there are marriages occur with the same caste and village. As the exchanging of women take place within two families, there is a mutual treat that prevails. That of the girl is treated badly, then another one will be treated the same. But the question is, why do these traditions follow? This custom is a decade-old custom that used to be take place because of the large gender gap in the state. According to the Rajasthan government census on the gender gap 2011, there were 888 females per 1000 males. However, it increases from 925 females per 100 and 1000 as per 2015 census. This exercise does not sustain only till rural Rajasthan, India, but often prevailing in countries like Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and lot more, usually by underprivileged communities who are forced by poverty and to evade dowry on one custom but has a different name, such as Vata-Sata, Bata-Sata, and the one and only Ata-Sata. Customs shout to be banned. These customs are a decade old, was adopted in the past due to the cultural situation of followed by forefathers to make life comfortable and easy. Although they were proper for a specific time, human nature like comfort and ease, but also wants to stick with the past. That is not right. New generation demand adopts new ideas and involvement of decade-old custom. Hence, there is a need to raise a voice against such practices and spread awareness about this tradition that needs to be changed. But the question is, how? By increasing literacy in rural areas and prohibiting the dowry system. The media and the local authorities can also play a significant role in highlighting these issues and eliminating them in the public domains and by mass campaigning against all the false customs. Thank you so much for watching.